Okay, so this is Jules, who's just come back for her assessment day and done some extra training today. So Jules, you've how long ago was it when you trained originally?
About a year ago.
About a year ago, and what was your sort of background? What were you doing before you came, obviously, training here?
I was doing accounts originally,
Okay.
so quite different from permanent makeup.
A little bit, but obviously when you start earning some decent money, then you'll need those skills as well. And how's it actually gone? So you've obviously just come back today. We've done some extra training, and how has sort of running a permanent makeup business fitted in with your existing lifestyle and job?
Really good, because I've got my own purpose-built beauty cabin in my back garden, so it's just completely different to how I used to work before, and it's lovely just being on the doorstep there, that I can just see a client, do a quick consultation if that's necessary, and it's just it's worked out really great for me. So,
excellent.
Yeah.
And how has it been sort of having access to Kate over the years? Has it been useful to be able to contact her whenever you need and sort of get your questions answered?
Oh yeah, it's been brilliant, because you can have sometimes the quite in-depth conversations and clear up quite a lot of issues, which is really important for me, because not being in the beauty industry at all, then I've probably used Kate initially, not so much now, but initially for quite a few things, and then I've sort of taught myself as well to a certain extent using what Kate has showed me. Then it's invaluable, because even the other day I think I sent her a message, something that had happened, but I answered my own question. But it's just nice having that reassurance from Katy that what you think is sort of right.
Well, that's it. And I suppose what we always find is the more we help students in the initial stages, the less they will need us in the future. Like say you're now ringing up and you've almost the answer already before you've even spoken to her.
Yeah.
And but it's
just nice to have that reassurance.
Exactly.
Just to have that back in. So Kate has been brilliant. She's just helped so much, and today's been fantastic.
Yeah, actually on today, so we obviously covered all the different treatment areas again. So how was it sort of coming back and just refreshing everything, all the different skills that you've learned over the last year?
Yeah, I mean, brilliant, because you think that you take in as much as possible the first time, and you take videos and different things so you can look back on them, but coming back again, it's just helped so much, because there's certain areas that I felt I wanted help with, and Kate is focused in on those, and it's been invaluable really. What she's, the details that she's given me has been, brilliant, and I'm going to take those away from me and put them into practice now. And
excellent. I suppose that's the advantage of one-on-one training rather than being in a group as well.
100%, because you get lost in a group. And I knew that I worked so better one-on-one, personally for me. And so we've been, and Katie's tailor-made it to me, and I know she's tailor-made it from like the information that I gave her from my case studies and everything. She's obviously looked at all that and thought, right, you need help here, you need help there, and she's kind of like known before I even come back where my weaknesses are, where I need extra help. So
that's the beauty, because we've got the online system for students to upload their case studies as they go along. Kate can see actually how you're getting on, as well as having unlimited pretty much help in between anyway. It's nice for her to be able to see the progress of the students as well. And then also, our last client of the day had 3 different treatments. How was it actually meeting up with a student that also trained with Katy, but is like a few years ahead of you, like 3 or 4 years, trained a few years ago, and she's obviously still coming back, getting treatments like yourself today, just had your brows done with Katy. So how was it meeting her?
Yeah, it's great, because you can just sort of bounce things off, and like she's a bit ahead, she's obviously quite a bit ahead of me, but she obviously remembers how she got there, and it's just good to talk to her and just get some ideas from her, and it's really good, because like I wanted to check my pressure as well with like using a needle and everything, and Katy would do a bit, and then I would say, is my pressure the same as Katy? Am I doing this the same? Does it feel the same? So it's just, you can't ask your client that.
Yes.
You haven't got Katy there, so it's good to know how you're doing it is right. And it's just, Vicky was lovely to, it's great to see her today and to do a permanent makeup.
So it's also nice to see someone that had a very good occupation originally and then built up a permanent makeup business, a bit like yourself on the side, and is now pretty much doing it all the time. And once again, she's working in her own cabin from home that she set up. And I think she said earlier that she sort of doesn't feel like she's ever working anymore because she enjoys it so much.
Yeah. I must admit, I don't feel like it's work. I feel I just get such a lift from a client when I've done like their brows or their lips or whatever, and they're just really happy with the result. It's just the best tonic out. It's just a nice feeling to be able to do something to somebody. They trust you, and you know, Katie's given me the confidence to do that as well. So it's just a great feeling, and like I agree, it's not like work. It's more like a nice hobby. Yes,
that you get paid for as well. So it's a bonus all round. Brilliant. Well, it's obviously been great having you back, and also we're now going to be working with you on some of the business stuff as well, because some people want business help from the beginning, some want to see how they get on first and then do it. So now you've done your case studies and that, and you've obviously seen other students and how well they're doing. I suppose the next level for you is just to step it up and go more full time with everything.
Yeah, definitely. And that's I've finished my job now in accounts, and I'm just concentrating on permanent makeup now. So I'm
get lots more customers in, so you can use your accountancy skills going forward.
Yes.
Totting everything up. Brilliant. Well, good to see you again, and we'll look forward to seeing you, I'm sure, in the near future.
Yeah, great.
Brilliant. Cheers, Jules. Bye.